Right, welcome back. Now it's time to do the bumpers. So let's go. And now I'm gonna try to see if I can modify it to make it a bit nicer, maybe. We'll see what I come up with. Can't be that hard. I think that will do. Now I just gonna fix the imperfections and remove these blinkers, because I will have blinkers in the headlights. Yeah, so small details to go, but yeah, I think I know where I want to go. Right? Perfect. The black stuff I used melted, as you can see. That's okay. I got my shape. So now the front bumper is ready. I fixed all the cracks and imperfections. Yeah, made a little lip, and yeah, so now it's just ready for primer and then paint. Yeah, let's put on some primer and then I can start on the rear bumper. Now the front bumper is ready for paint, primed, and yeah, so on to the rear bumper. Just put on the rear lights to mock up and try to make the rear bumper. I bought a plastic air duct. That's roughly the same size as the front bumper. So I'll try to make something out of it. You see? Yeah, let's do that. First, I gonna open it up, cut it all the way here, heat it up and try to bend it so I can start shaping it. We'll see. That's the plan. We'll see if I can make the plan work. Well, yeah, it looks like it will work out. It's easy to shape, so yeah. Love it when a plan comes together. Now I have the basic shape how I want it. Now I'm gonna make a little diffuser type of thing of aluminium, I think. It will make it a little stiffer and yeah, maybe it will look nice too. Like that. Would be nice. All right. Now we are going somewhere. I have made all the anchor points I need and the little diffuser or what you call it. I have cut holes for the fog light and reverse light as the original. So now it's ready for paint. The front bumper will be part the color of the car and part flat black, so I gotta wait with that one. But the rear bumper is easier, so yeah, just gonna paint it right away. So now the bumper is painted black. Just wait for it to dry. So yeah, this will work. I might do something different with this diffuser thing when I know how the exhaust will be. So we'll see. I might make a new one. But the rear bumper is mostly done. Sweet. Check. Next episode, I will do something fun with the roof. So, see you then.